Wow, our food is ready.
Coming with that.
Welcome to my YouTube channel. In case you're new here, you are very welcome. My name is Bahati and today, welcome to my kitchen. Yay! So guys, today I'm so grateful because you have clicked on this video. Keep on watching. Today we are going to be cooking Githeri. Yes, Githeri is my favorite meal and I'm going to show you how I prepare my Githeri. So with me here, let me bring you a little bit closer. With me here, I have some onions. I have mixed the two onions, the round one and these ones, and tomatoes and hoho. And then I have my carrot here, and then on this bowl, I have I will crush my kitungu saumu and turmeric. This is fresh turmeric. Yeah, some 4 pieces of saumu and 2 pieces of turmeric. Yeah, I have my salt here and my oil is here. So, and my sufuria is there. My sufuria is here. I'm using this big sufuria because I'm cooking a family meal. Yeah, so let's get straight into the video. So guys, as our mafuta is boiling, I would want you to tell me what is your favorite meal and how best to prepare your favorite meal. Unajua kuna ile venye you cook your favorite meal paka mwenye una feel, oh my god, yeah, this is it. Yeah, so tell me your favorite meal and how you prepare it. Yeah, in other terms, you're telling us your recipe. Just if tunataka kujua ma recipes zingine. So this is, I'm not a cook, I'm not like, okay, I'm a cook, I'm not like professional, I'm not a chef, but this is how I prepare my favorite meal. Yeah, so let's do this. Our mafuta is ready. I will put in onion, and I'm using this kijiko here. Let me bring you closer. Hivi ndio vitunguu zetu zinakaa. Yeah, they look presentable kidogo. So at this point tutaeka nyanya na pilipili hoho. Yeah. Yay. So we let it cook. Guys, nyanya zetu sasa zinaiva vizuri. I will put in the carrots ndio zive pamoja na hizo nyanya because carrots they're not so big, so they will cook very fast. Oh my god, look at that. Guys, nyanya zetu zikiiva, I will be crushing our hohos. Yeah, so hivyo ndio zinakaa, and then I will add in some little water. Yeah, essence ya maji ni kufanya like itoke yote. I think so. Yeah, so this is how our meter looks like. We add in our cocoa. Oh, so guys, look at that. Isn't it magic? I love the color. This color sasa ni ndio nimeletwa na nini? Turmeric. Then I will add in some salt. Yeah, salt lazima to taste.
Oh, I love this color. It is just magic. Kama tuseme aje, guys. I think sasa mwanze kunihaya I be your cook, eh? Nianze kuwapikia pikia hizi mashakura. I can be a good cook for hire. So here is our githeri in this big bowl, and our mixture is ready, and I will pour in our githeri. Yeah, I think that is enough. Yeah, and then I mix. Make sure you mix it well. Alafu sijui kama mmenotice hiyo tu nini tu dark zenye si maragwe but zinakaa maragwe ni zile nini nuts. I think nuts ziukuwa kama nini ya njugu. I don't know what they're called in English ama Kiswahili. Nazijua kwa Kiluya. Yeah, but yeah, ni hizo. And then this is yellow beans. I love yellow beans. And this is also fresh maize. Yeah, so tutafunika and then we wait for it to cook. Voila, our food is ready, guys. Eish, mnaona vile inachemka. Mimi ndio ule mseni. Nawaambia munihaye nikuwe chef. Eh? I will deliver. Hello guys, our food is ready and I'm going to serve it. Yes? Amanda Town. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time. Bye.